Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. You remember last week, it was week 44, 2022. I try to do weekly or bi-weekly. I show you my account. So last week, it was at 14,000, a little over 14,000. Check out today. This is week 45, 2022. So one week later, it was, like I said, last week, it was 14,000. So let's look and see what it is today. Wow, look at that. This is week 45. So 1 week later, it went down a little over $4,000 in 1 week. So it fluctuates back and forth. So if you want to buy, I think this is the lowest it's been since I had crypto. You're looking at the CRO right there. It's at 8 cents. I bought this thing at 35 cents. So you see, I lost a lot of money, over 70, maybe 80%, but I'm in it for the long ride. I know I should have got out a long time ago, but it's no big deal. I can make a little bit more money. But if you want to get these, you can look in the description below. If you click on the link, you get $25 and I get $25. But we're going to go to my account right here. We're going to look at the CRO. That's where most of my money is invested, in the CRO, which is Chronos. You see, I have 112,999 CROs. I can unstake this anytime I want, but I'm going to stick with it a little while longer because I get free Amazon, I get free Spotify, I get free lounging when we go to the airport. Plus, I get 8% annual CROs. So every Monday, as you can see, I get 173 CROs, which is worth nothing now, probably $18. But I'm going to leave it staked. I don't need the money right now. I'm going to just let it ride. So if any of you guys are interested in getting into this, maybe I'm no financial advisor. If you want to take a chance, go for it. But like I said, I'm in it for the long ride. If I need a little bit more money, I go out there and do some welding inspection or do whatever I need to do there to make it. But anyway, the market is terrible. Not only the crypto market, as you can see, it went up a little bit. But if you go to the stock market here, we're going to go and see what the stock market looked like. Look at this. Ford was down almost 3%. You got AMC, GMC, GameStop, Tesla down 7%. You're looking at Amazon down 4.27%. Robinhood 13%. Oh man, everything. Pfizer down 1.33%. So you can go on, look at Square, PayPal. I don't see anything up. Really, you see something broke even, but I mean, everything down. This could be because of the midterm election that happened yesterday on November the 8th. But anyway, if you're going to invest, maybe it's the time to invest now while everything's down. You just got to hold it. It always happens. It do come back up. I think 2008, we had the big thing going on. But like I said, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys a look into my account. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day. And this is week 45, 2022. So I may do one next week or the week after next. Maybe my account will be down to 7,000 or it might be up 15,000. I don't know. It's jumping all over the place. But anyway, see you guys later. And if you would like to do investments on this crypto.com, use the link in the description below. I get $25. You would get $25 also. All right. See you guys later.